ABC Speaking Academy. Greeting a friend. Daily English conversation. Hi, Emma.
Hi, Noah.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Noah.
Good morning.
Good morning too.
Good morning.
Good morning too.
How are you?
I'm great, thank you. How about you?
How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. How about you?
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
How was your weekend?
It was wonderful.
How was your weekend?
It was wonderful.
Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
Are you ready for class?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready for class?
Yes, I am.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did.
What are you doing after school?
I'm going to the library.
What are you doing after school?
I'm doing to the library.
Would you like to study together?
Sure, I'd love to.
Would you like to study together?
Sure, I'd love to.
You look happy today.
Thank you.
You look happy today.
Thank you.
How's your family?
They're doing well.
How's your family?
They're doing well.
Have a great day.
You too.
Have a great day.
You too.
What did you do yesterday?
I played basketball.
What did you do yesterday?
I played basketball.
Did you watch the game last night?
Yes, he did.
Did you watch the game last night?
Yes, he did.
Are you free this afternoon?
Yes, I am.
Are you free this afternoon?
Yes, I am.
Let's have lunch together.
That's a great idea.
Let's have lunch together.
That's a great idea.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you like our new teacher?
Yes, I do.
Do you like our new teacher?
Yes, I do.
Can you help me with this lesson?
Of course.
Can you help me with this lesson?
Of course.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Take care.
You too.
Take care.
You too.
Have a nice evening.
Thanks, you too.
Have a nice evening.
Thanks, you too.
Goodbye, my friend.
Goodbye, see you soon.
Goodbye, my friend.
See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Until our next conversation adventure.